So we're in Clovis, California, and we just finished installing a garbage disposal right here. This is the Badger 1, the 1/3 horsepower. Sorry about the light. Let me see if I can get a little guy around there. There you go. So Badger 1, 1/3 horsepower. And this is straight out of Ferguson, so it comes with a line cord on it. No big deal. I mean, it's another 5 minutes, but you have to buy a line cord and you got to install it. And we're not electricians. We can certainly do it, but what's nice about those, they come with the cord attached to it. So brand new 1/3 horse, and then of course you've got the hose. Is existing to the home, so that's not ours, but we did replace the flange. That flange up there for InSinkurator is interchangeable with all InSinkurator products, and we replaced that mainly because if we have if we give you a new disposal and we don't replace that, then you have a problem with that later on. We look kind of silly coming back out and telling you we got to replace that too. So brand new flange, brand new disposal, existing hose. We did replace the telescoping kit. It wasn't a true telescoping kit. You can see it sitting here on the ground, and that's the T that goes to it. So it's very small tolerance when you cut that tubing. What we like about this one is this tube actually telescopes in and out. So if you loosen this nut right here, and then you pull this stainless steel nut, and there's one on the other side, this whole tubing will telescope into here, which allows you to drop the disposal without messing with any of this piping over here. We kept the existing trap. That's in good shape, Schedule 40 ABS, and the adapter. This is our T, so brand new T, brand new tailpiece, and nut is existing to the basket strainer. We put a new gasket in there, so that's all new tubing. It's called a telescoping disposal kit for InSinkurator, and that makes it real nice. So now you can take things apart and clean it out if you have to. So we've tested it out. We've run a lot of water down it. We ask that you monitor this area. Any plumbing in your home, occasionally you need to take a peek under there and see if anything's developing. Even weeping, which is just a very little bit of water that you can almost not even tell that it's happening. It will develop into a drip, and then more aggressive, and then it will start to spray. And we want to stay away from that. So monitor this plumbing. Also, kitchen, go in the bathroom, same thing, lavatory faucets, things like that. You know, once you get water into a cabinet area or into a wall area or underneath cabinet areas, then it sits down there and molds, and then you get a problem there, and it's a safety issue. So anyway, so everything's good here outside of that. This installation is done.
Okay, very good.